Now that you have pulled keywords and synonyms from your research questions, it is time for our final search step. During this step, we will add Boolean operators to our search. Boolean operators are used by many databases as well as search engines. Some databases allow you to do an advanced search, which allow you to select the Boolean operators you would like to use. Other databases, such as Google, allow you to add the operators right into the general search box. Boolean searching provides better and more accurate results by allowing searchers to broaden or narrow their search. Knowing to use Boolean operators, and, or, and not, are keys to searching digital data. And combines search terms to limit a search. It tells the database to look for both terms the user has entered. Or broadens a search by telling the database to look for either term the user has entered. And not narrows a search by telling the database to remove certain ideas from a search. Take a moment to look at the visual. It will help you understand how and, or, and not work. While not a Boolean operator, enclosing a phrase in quotation marks tells the database to only retrieve information with this exact phrase. When you search, always check the URL before clicking on a result. The URL can give you a lot of information. Databases use Boolean operators differently. For some, and, or, and not must be capitalized to work, while other require them to be lowercase. Still more use symbols for Boolean operators. The help section of a database or search engine will tell you how to use the Boolean operators on that specific database or search engine. Unfortunately, Google, the world's largest and most popular search engine, and the one most of you probably use, doesn't follow standard Boolean operators. For Google, both capitalized and lowercase and are recognized. Google only recognizes or as a Boolean operator if it is capitalized. And Google recognizes not as the word not, but instead as a minus symbol followed by the word or phrase you're trying to exclude. Once you start searching and seeing the results you are getting from your search, you may begin to realize Boolean operators that you would like to add. Let's look at our example. Here's my researchable question. And my keywords and synonyms for my keywords. Maybe I would begin searching by adding all of my keywords and synonyms and using Boolean operators between them. Depending on the results I was getting, perhaps I would start excluding words or phrases to change my results. Take a few minutes to begin adding Boolean operators to your Google search. As a reminder, Google recognizes the following Boolean operators. Quotations around a phrase. For example, Buckingham Palace, in quotes, would tell Google to only search for websites that have the term Buckingham and Palace directly next to each other. And lowercase or capitalized. Buckingham Palace, in quotes, and capitalized London, or and lowercase London would both work. Or has to be capitalized. For example, London or Buckingham Palace. And again, Google only recognizes the minus symbol for not. So if I wanted to exclude Buckingham Palace from my search, I may search for London minus Buckingham Palace.